noticed that when I try to do this, especially with pink, it washes out really quickly, and I'm really not a big fan of doing my hair every week. But anyways, I found it's Punky Color and it's called Cotton Candy Pink. But this is the color. It's very, very dark. If I was to put this on my hair, it would be like the color of this towel. I've tried it straight out of the bottle. This is not a cotton candy pink. So you do have to dilute it. I usually use like a really cheap conditioner. Okay, so I'm starting at here. I'm gonna go up and I'm gonna go like that. That should work. So that's leaving like a good amount of white hair. I'm gonna do about that much here. So that should look pretty when it like fades out into the actual pink. Cool. So now I'm just gonna focus on this top of my head. 2 colors. So you just grab a piece of hair, you do the dark, so that'd be like the pinky purple, and then I do like a second faded into like a pink, light pink, and then just leave like the tip, like pull it down. These 3 brushes, 2 bowls. Using this one, semi-permanent, and then this one, I'm going to do a teeny tiny bit of purple in the pink for the top part. About this, it doesn't work very well. It's supposed to repair, conditioner for deep moisturization. It doesn't. It's a lie. Caffeine. That much. It's about a third of the bottle. Then we take our conditioner. That's white. And then we're going to put like a tiny, 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 tiny bit of the purple because this purple is extremely strong. That's your mixture. It's kind of like a pinky purple, a tiny bit, not a lot. Kind of the same amount. The rest of this stuff, like a brighter pink, and this is like a darker pink. Cool. Okay.